Okay. Wow, that's all catching up to me a lot faster than I was hoping. I mean, I did fucking drink down that slow and low as fast as humanly possible, but still. Um, yeah. Alright. Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the liquid marijuana. I've had this in the past before. I don't remember what it tastes like, so we're going to act like it's totally new, brand new to me. First, add ice to your glass that's too far away from the camera to possibly see. Actually, the camera probably could see it, but just in case it can't, we're just going with that. So let's go ahead and go down the line of what you'll need for the liquid marijuana. It's a very, I was going to say easy recipe, but it might be a little bit more complex than that. You'll need a spice rum. Captain Morgan is what I'm going to use. I could technically use Kraken, but I'm not going to bother with that one. I don't think that one's going to go very well if I try to use Kraken. You'll need Midori, which is a melon liqueur, a Japanese melon liqueur. I highly recommend Midori. It's very sweet and very good. Just in general, I love Midori. You can drink this straight, basically. Pineapple juice. You also will need coconut rum. My coconut rum is running a little low, but I know I have another bottle somewhere. I just have to fill it. We also need blue curacao, and you will also need a sweet and sour mix. We're gonna go ahead and get down into making this. Pretty easy. Most of everything in here is pretty much half an ounce, except the pineapple juice and the sweet and sour. So half an ounce of Captain Morgan, if I can pour it in here. That's more of an ounce, but you know what? I guess we're going for an ounce, maybe? Fuck it, let's go for an ounce. That was like close to like 3/4. We're gonna go for an ounce. Everything's a half ounce if you want to do it the normal way. I'm gonna go for a full ounce. Just for shits and giggles, I guess. Why not? Coconut rum is also an ounce or half ounce. However you're making your drink, I'm going to say half an ounce because, yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be read. But we're going to go for the full ounces because I fucked up. No surprise there. A splash of sweet and sour mix. So we're going to take our nice, let me go this way for you guys. Sure. We'll call that a splash. I kind of fucked that up. So that was more like an ounce. I fucked that up. All right. And then you fill it up with pineapple juice. It says 12 ounces. This glass will not hold 12 ounces. I'm just going to fill it up to about yay there and call it done. I know it's supposed to be in a highball glass. This is not a highball glass. This is just a normal glass. But I'm going to call it a highball glass and pretend that it's a highball glass, and we'll see how it goes. May have to end up adding some simple syrup to this since I added so much sweet and sour. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Surprisingly very delicious for how much sweet and sour I put in that. Like, it's very sweet, but in a lot of other videos I've done, Midori and pineapple juice and coconut rum just complement each other very, very well. I can't even taste the spiced rum in this. Yeah, no, I can't even taste the spiced rum. And most drinks that usually have blue curacao in it usually ruins it. Can't taste the blue curacao, you know. I can definitely taste a little bit of the sweet and sour. The aftertaste is giving it away. I'm going to see if I can hide that just a little bit with like a slight bit of simple syrup, like a little few drops of simple syrup. Just for the record, before I made this channel, this was just going to be my home bar entirely, and then I was going to eventually drink all these bottles and be an alcoholic. Then I decided to do something else, and here we are. Alcoholic Endeavors. I'm calling it a hobby, but some other people might think not. That is really good with the sweet simple syrup. It sweetens it out. The sweet and sour is a little bit less noticeable with it. This drink is actually really good. I would recommend the liquid marijuana. I'm assuming the green probably is about the same color. I'm not a smoker, by the way. I only drink.
Drugs are bad.
But overall, I think this is relatively a good drink. You can find this on Tipsy Bartender. I don't think I got it off Tipsy Bartender, but just in case I did, I'll leave a link down in the description below with all the recipe, yada yada yada. Just I don't want to cause any copyright problems and all that. I'm waiting for one of them to find me. I'm waiting for any of the YouTubers to find me and go, he copied me. What a dick. Copyright. I'm waiting for it. Anyways, with that, this is the liquid marijuana. I really do actually recommend this drink. I would probably drink this more often than not. So if you guys got any drinks, shots, any recipes, any ideas you want me to try out, I have plenty of shit on this bar. I still need more than what I have because unfortunately I don't have a lot of liqueur. Well, let me rephrase that. I do have a lot of liqueurs. I definitely have a lot of vodkas. I have a mild amount of rums and a mild amount of whiskeys and bourbons. But there's more out on the market that I do not have. Anyways, if you have any of those, leave them down in the comments below and I will give them a try. I plan on maybe doing, depending on how many comments, well, I only have like 15 subscribers, but that's besides the point. Leave them down below. Depending on how many there are, I might even do like 3 a video, something like that. But for right now, this is what we got. Why did I say that? This is, let's just screw the thises and say thanks, and I hope to see you all next time.
If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.